guys, I'm working on dinner and cleaning up and came back into the kitchen to find this.
Colossal.
Hannah. Hi. What are you doing? Yeah. You getting into all the leftovers, pulling everything out of the fridge? Yeah? Yeah? My little mess maker? Say hi. Yeah. Hi, princess. Hi. Yeah. Yeah. Nobody can resist you, Hannah. You're irresistible. Yeah. Yeah. Irresistible. You're irresistible. Logan and Liliana are helping me cook dinner. What are we making? This. Tacos. Don't touch a pan. Don't touch a pan.
We gotta wear gloves if we
You
want
gotta wear
to.
gloves. Gloves on.
What?
Crazy kids. Well, don't put your gloved hand in my pan. Hi guys. Guess who's home?
Daddy.
Daddy's home. Hi, Daddy. So today we made a birthday cake for my parents, and we were gonna save it for Jason when Jason came home, but that didn't happen.
Doesn't look like it got saved.
Didn't get saved. There is still
As you drop the knife on the floor.
chocolate covered knife on the floor. There is still some left, but it definitely didn't get saved. See that? We called my parents, who are in Arizona right now actually, and sang happy birthday to them and lit a torch.
Lit a torch?
Not a torch, what's that called?
A torch?
No, it's not a torch. What is this thing called?
A lighter?
What is this called? Thank you, a lighter. We don't have any candles, so we just lit a lighter and sang happy birthday to them.
It's a grill lighter.
They really appreciated it. It's like a torch. There we
It's a
go.
grill lighter.
It's like a torch.
No, it's bendy.
Don't bend it at me. Let's eat dinner. What are you doing, Logan? You sitting at the table?
Yeah.
No?
Mhm.
Logan. Logan. Hello? Anybody home?
Yeah.
Who is it?
It's me.
Who? Ah! Hey, you goofy ball. Let's go. Let's go. Set the table. Bonk.
Ow. Is this a special plate for me?
Hannah, are you ready for dinner?
Is this a special plate for me?
No, there's already a plate for you. I want a plate for Mama or Daddy.
What's this for?
Hi, Hannah. Are you hungry? Yeah, you're hungry. Your hair's in your face. And you're hungry? Let me see your big yawns. Ah. Ah.
What's my big yawn?
Let me see your big yawns. Whoa, that's a pretty tired yawn.
My big yawn.
Okay, let me see. We'll make all of our viewers tired today. Oh. Oh. Hannah's ready to get out of her high chair. Should we show them? Hannah, did you really enjoy your tacos tonight?
Pieces off your
Let me
hand.
out! Let me out! Not working. Think you're gonna need some mama intervention and a wipe. The bathtub is all done. Are we done with the bathtub, Hannah? Let me see your pajamas. Show off your pajamas. Clean pajamas. Bathroom's a mess. Got towels all over the floor because the bathtub is over. Somebody's a little hyper. And we're going to bed. Say night-night. Night-night.
We can I can turn into the Hulk.
And then the Hulk just beat us up. She actually punches it. Night night, Liliana.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Have a good night.